Hi everyone, welcome to Find Yourself Adventures. And today I'm making some cooked kale or greens, whatever you want to call it. This is just kale, I don't have any of the other greens in it. And this is kale I've picked from the garden and cleaned. And in here I also have some onion that I picked from the garden. And I have some ham and chicken stock that it's bouillon or whatever you would want to call it. Soup base is what I usually call it. I also have some garlic from the garden, some bacon, real bacon pieces here. I have some bacon grease over here. I have some onion powder. I have some garlic powder and some pepper. So I'm going to add some water to this mix, and that will make the broth, or whatever that would be called. Got about 1.5 cups of water here that I'm going to pour over, and then we're going to cover it and cook it down until it's nice and tender. And I think it will turn out delicious. Who else likes greens cooked like this? Or how do you make your greens? This is one thing that I do enjoy. My mom used to make the best greens, and she never liked them. She liked spinach, but she didn't like all the other greens, and she made them for my dad, and I grew to like them as I got older. And so this is something that I enjoy, and let's see how things are going. It's only been a few minutes and they've cooked down quite a bit, but they're smelling really good. It doesn't take a long time and they start cooking down pretty well, and I'd like to have them more tender than this, and these onions soften. But as you see, this full pan doesn't really make a whole lot, so it takes a lot of greens to make a mess of greens. But for just me eating them, because my husband's not a fan, this is plenty. So I cooked them for around 25 minutes, and they were at a medium-low heat. I've turned them down now since they are done, and I've tasted them, and they taste great. And they're tender and flavorful. And so this is the adventure for today, and I hope you have enjoyed it, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, week, whenever this video posts, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.